Hello students, today we are going to discuss some practice problem based on multiple and sub-multiple angle formulae for trigonometric function. So first question into this is cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into cos 8A is equal to sin 16A upon 16 sin A. And hence we have to deduce the value of cos 12 into cos 24, cos 48, cos 96. So let us start from left hand side. So let us divide this by 2 sin A. As we know that 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. So we will write this as sin 2A and further we will divide this by 2. No need to divide by sin A again. So that it is 2 sin 2A cos 2A. It is sin 4A now. Again divide with 2. So it is 2 sin 4A cos 4A. It becomes sin 8A. And finally one more multiplication and division with 2 will make it sin 16A over 16 sin A. Formula used is only one, which is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is equals to right hand side. Now we have proved this. Now for deducing the next result, let us put A is equal to 12 in left hand side as well as in right hand side. So it is cos 12 into cos 24, cos 48, cos 96 is equals to sin 192 upon 16 sin 12. Now both of these are not a standard angle, so that we can write 192 as 180 plus 12. So sin 180 plus theta is minus sin theta. So sin 12 will be cancelled out and we are left with minus 1 by 16, which is right hand side. Next question is if cos theta is equal to half in the bracket a plus 1 by a and cos 2 theta is equal to half in the bracket a square plus 1 by a square. Cos 2 theta is half a plus 1 by a, and we have to prove that cos 2 theta is equal to half a square plus 1 by a square, and cos 3 theta is equal to half a cube plus 1 by a cube. So we have to prove these two statements from this given statement. So it's very straightforward question. Cos theta is given, so we will apply cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now bracket should be paid very much attention, proper bracketing should be there. So it is 2 in bracket start 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a bracket close, small bracket close, square bracket close, whole square minus 1. So we will open whole square formula. So after simplification we will get required result for cos 2 theta. Similar start is from cos 3 theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is standard result. So now putting the value of cos theta here and applying the formula of cube. So after simplification we will get our required result. Next is if tan theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus e upon 1 plus e tan phi by 2, root is not on the tan phi by 2. Then prove that cos phi is equal to cos theta minus e whole upon 1 minus e cos theta. Now the result which we want to prove, that is giving us straight away hint what we should do, because we have phi at one side and theta at another side. That means we have to eliminate phi and we have to write this in terms of theta. So from here I am deducing the value of tan phi by 2 by shifting this root term in the left hand side. So first step is cos phi. This is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, means angle will be halved. I am applying formula of cos 2 theta, and now I am putting the value of tan phi by 2 from the given statement like here. So this is under root of 1 plus e upon 1 minus e tan theta by 2. Now I am squaring the bracket, and after that simple algebraic steps are there. To reduce the bulk of the question, I am just writing t is equal to tan theta by 2. I have mentioned in the bracket. So now taking LCM and opening the bracket, we will get this. Now after this step, clearly I can see E independent or coefficient of E is 1 in the required result. So what I am going to do, I am taking E common from these two terms, and of course E common from these two terms. Now next I want to divide this with numerator and denominator by 1 plus t square, so that coefficient of E is 1. Now putting Again resubstituting t as tan theta by 2, so this is clearly formula for cos 2 theta, as theta is theta by 2, so double of that is theta only, so it is cos theta minus e upon 1 minus e cos theta. So this is the required right hand side. Next is prove that sin 5 theta is equal to 5 sin theta minus 20 sin cube theta upon plus 16 into sin raised to the power 5 theta, and same is the result for cos. That means cos 5 theta, 5 cos theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 16 cos raised to the power 5 theta. So one result I am going to prove here, second you can try very easily at your home. Now first way to prove this question is, one obvious thinking comes in mind that we should write sin 3 theta plus 2 theta, then we should apply formula sin 3 theta cos 2 theta plus cos 3 theta into sin 2 theta, then we should replace the value of sin 3 theta cos 2 theta and so on, and then opening the bracket. So this is not a bad thing to start with, but point is that by this we can have some lengthy calculations. So a different start I am doing here, you can try this as other method. I am starting with sin 5 theta plus sin theta. So sin c plus sin d means 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, which gives 2 sin 3 theta cos 2 theta. After that sin 3 theta is standard result. I have put the value of sin 3 theta here, and out of many values of cos 2 theta I am using the value which is having only sin theta, that means 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Rest is very simple, just open the bracket, and finally we reached here 6 sin theta minus 20 sin cube theta plus 16 sin raised to the power 5 theta. Remember in the left hand side we were having sin 5 theta plus sin theta, so that I am shifting this sin theta in the right hand side because I want only sin 5 theta. So 6 sin theta minus sin theta is 5 sin theta, rest terms are same, so we can get the required result. So I hope you have got these question. That's it, that's all for today. Take care, have a nice day, thank you.